Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have an earwax removal video for you. This lady's come through to clinic. She's very blocked up, large plug of wax in the ear canal, no obvious gap around the outside of it. So we're just going to use a standard size Zollner tube to first of all try and unstick this plug from the canal walls. So we're just using the Zollner just to remove, you can see the sticky wax away from the edges. So we're going to try and pull all these edge sections into the center, which if we can unstick enough of it around the outside edge would mean that we can get this out in one plug. What's going to complicate things a little bit is the wax is very sticky. It's a thick sticky wax that has this little tuft of hair, or what looks like hair strands running through the center of it, which is going to bind a lot of this wax together. You can see just the action of trying to pull all the outside edges into the center section, just to be able to try and remove this as best we can in one go. And so that's all we're doing at the moment, though. It seems to be pulling the wax from side to side. It doesn't really seem to be loosening it too well. Sometimes we are lucky with this hair, because the amount of force I can feel we're pulling on this, it looks like it's running right the way through the wax. So I'm going to use the crocodile forceps to grip the hair, and hopefully if it is running all the way through this wax, it'll help to pull this whole chunk out in one go. So you can see just steady, slow pressure on the crocodile forceps, just very gently teasing this out of the canal. And there we go, out it comes in one big chunk. And take a look at the canal, looks nice and healthy, eardrum looks lovely and shiny. There's the plug that we've taken out, so it's about 1.5 centimeters across, roughly about 1 centimeter wide or just under, so a nice big thick plug of wax. And thank you as always guys for watching the video today, and if you did like the video then please like and share, and as always take care.